If you have ever felt butterflies in your stomach before a big event or lost your appetite when you're anxious, you have already experienced the powerful connection between your gut and your brain. But what if I told you that this connection goes far deeper than just feeling that your gut health could be influencing your mood, your focus, and even your risk for mental illness? Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Mathur, an international physician with over 15 years of experience and founder of multiple global healthcare companies. Today, let's explore the fascinating science behind the gut brain connection and why modern medicine can no longer afford to ignore it. The gut and the brain are in constant conversation, and that system is called the gut brain axis. It's not just about digestion, it's about complex network involving nerves, hormones, and immune signals. And at the center of it all is the vagus nerve, the longest nerve in your body, acting like a superhighway between your gut and your brain. Recent studies, including a new research from UCLA and Nature Reviews 2024 and 2025, show that gut bacteria can directly influence how the vagus nerve fires. In fact, in lab experiments, mice without gut bacteria showed dramatically reduced vagus nerve activity, which normalized after health microbes were reintroduced. Now, that's powerful proof that what lives inside our gut can literally change how our brain functions. About 90% of your body's serotonin, the feel good chemical, is actually made in your gut, not your brain. Friendly bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium help produce serotonin's building blocks, while others, such as enterococcus and bacillus, assist dopamine production, the chemical behind motivation and pleasure. So, when the gut microbiome is out of balance, your brain feels it through mood swings, anxiety, even cognitive fog. This isn't theory anymore. Neuroimaging studies have shown real time changes in the brain's emotional centers like the amygdala and prefrontal cortex, depending on gut microbiome composition. Unfortunately, our modern way of living has badly disrupted this delicate balance. Processed foods, chronic stress, antibiotics, and sleep deprivation all damage gut diversity. A 2024 study found that a typical Western diet, high in refined sugar and low in fiber, reduces beneficial short chain fatty acid producing bacteria by nearly 60%. Now, these compounds are essential for maintaining the gut bacteria and reducing inflammation. Add antibiotics that wipes out both good and bad microbes, constant stress hormones that alter microbial balance, and poor sleep that disrupts your microbiome's circadian rhythm. And you get what scientists call gut dysbiosis. The result, a leaky gut, inflammation, and weakened communication with your brain, manifesting as anxiety, depression, or burnout. So, how do you know your gut might be affecting your mental health? Frequent bloating or indigestion, unexplained fatigue or brain fog, sudden mood swings or anxiety spikes, food craving, especially for sugar, skin issues like eczema or acne, IBS-like symptoms. When the gut barrier becomes compromised, inflammatory molecules can enter the bloodstream and trigger immune responses that reach the brain, changing mood, focus, and sleep quality. If you have been treating your mood but ignoring your gut, you might be missing the real root cause. The good news is the gut brain connection can be healed, and science gives us a clear roadmap. Eat a fiber rich Mediterranean style diet. Plants, legumes, and whole grains feed the good bacteria that produce short chain fatty acid, essentially for brain health. Think of fiber as a fertilizer for your microbiome. Second is include probiotics and prebiotics. Now, probiotics are like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. They add healthy microbes, while prebiotics such as garlic, onions, and bananas feed them. Clinical trials have shown that probiotic therapy can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression within 8 weeks. The third is manage stress effectively. Your microbiome reacts instantly to stress. Mindfulness, meditation, or even regular walks help regulate your body stress hormones, protecting gut balance. Fourth is prioritize sleep. Poor sleep can shift your gut bacteria composition within days. Aim for 7 to 8 hours to support microbial rhythms and hormone balance. Fifth and important is move your body. Exercise enhances blood flow to the gut and improves microbial diversity. You don't need to run marathons, even brisk walks count. So, when combined, these habits strengthen both your gut and your mind, helping neurotransmitters flow naturally again. Interestingly, this connection isn't new. Over 2000 years ago, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, said, all disease begins in the gut. For centuries, that wisdom was forgotten as medicine became more specialized and focused only on individual organs. But the Human Microbiome Project in 2007 changed everything. Scientists finally mapped the trillions of microbes living inside us, discovering they influence immunity, metabolism, and even mental health. Today, leading research from NIH and Harvard confirms what ancient healers already suspected. Caring for the gut is caring for the mind. The gut brain axis isn't alternative medicine anymore, it's a mainstream science. If you're struggling with stress, anxiety, or fatigue, it might be time to start healing from the inside out. Begin with your plate, feed your microbes the way you'd feed your mind. I'm Dr. Priyanka Mathur, reminding you that true health doesn't start in the mind or the body. It begins in the connection between them.